books and clothes to wear. Where are all these made? She shared. Industry, industry, what can it be? Making useful things for you and me. Raw materials come along, finished products make life strong. Tom said, let's go and see how products come to you and me. Factories busy every day, making things in a special way. Industry, industry, let's explore today. Learning how things are made along the way. Small and large, they help us all, from giant factories to workshops small. Cotton grows out in the field, soft white fibers it can yield. Factories spin and weave with care, making shirts for us to wear. Industry, industry, what can it be? Making useful things for you and me. Raw materials start the way, finished goods arrive one day. Wood becomes a chair one day, raw materials lead the way. Industry helps transform and create useful products that are great. Industry, industry, hip